Hi everyone, Anonymous Lifter here, and I'm going to show you how to start strong as a rideshare driver. I'm going to show you some tricks that will help you start off with good tips and high ratings. Lucky, Gretchen, are you paying attention? Good, let's get started. First, let's look at how the Lyft rating system works. At the end of each ride, Lyft riders rate drivers on a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the best. The average driver rating is 4.8. My rating is 4.97. Anything below a 4.6 gets you deactivated. Ratings will go up and down weekly depending on how many rides you give, but you need to do everything you can to keep your ratings as high as possible. Drivers can rate riders as well, but I'll cover that in a future video. Riders rate drivers on the following categories: friendliness, cleanliness, driving, and conversation. All of these are important, but for the first part of this video, I'll focus on the cleanliness category. I'll address how to make more money and get better ratings from the other categories in future videos. So be sure to hit the share and subscribe buttons in the lower right so you can get that information as soon as it comes out. No one wants to ride in a dirty car. Aside from washing and vacuuming the interior, be sure to do the following. Make the wheels and tires shine. People always notice the wheels, so make them look great. I use Ultimate Black to make the tires shine and magic erasers on the wheel chrome. Use newsprint with glass cleaner on the windows and windshield. The texture of the paper leaves no streaks, and it does a superior job of cleaning glass. Be sure to use a soft textured newsprint that's used in mailbox ads or free weekly publications. Your passenger is spending 100% of his or her ride time in your car, so you want the interior and exterior to look as sharp as possible, because it will affect your tips and ratings. Now, beyond what I've just mentioned, how do you make your clean rideshare vehicle stand out? Here are a few easy tricks that I've used to boost my ratings and tips. Shine and pop. Make the rubber and plastic parts on the interior pop out like new. This stuff made the plastic and rubber on my 10-year-old car look new. Right after I started using this on the inside, a passenger asked me if this was a new car. I could not believe it. Lucky, what do you think of all this? Stop the stink. About 1% of the time, I'll pick up a rider who reeks of weed, cigarette smoke, or body odor. I use scented spray to neutralize the odor. Febreze works the best. Another reason for the scented spray is in case someone gets sick in your vehicle. Yes, I did have that happen once, and I'll show you how to make your own fluid absorber, aka puke powder, for less than $1 in a future video. Have everything in place before you start. You don't want to pick up riders and be fumbling around to find stuff or move things out of the way. Have the front and back seat clear of all items. Also, find a way that works for you to have everything in place so you can easily tap the prompts on the phone without taking your eyes off the road. One of the first and most obvious things that you'll need is a phone mount. Another essential is a charger for the phone because the app uses a lot of power. Also consider a multi-port adapter if you plan on using a dash cam. Just in case you've missed any of the items, I've got them listed in the description below. No junk in the trunk. This is another thing that's easy to miss, so take a few minutes to clean out and organize the trunk. If you pick anyone up at the airport, they'll almost always have luggage, so make sure there's plenty of room. Same for hotels. I use a canvas painter's tarp to protect the passenger's luggage. You can use an old but clean bedsheet to cover the trunk floor. Showing that you planned ahead will pay you back in tips and ratings. If you are able, be sure to load the passenger's luggage into the trunk for them. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up icon below. Also, check out my website, anonymouslifter.com. I'll have more guest appearances by Lucky, Gretchen, and Holly in future videos. They'll be helping me show you more tips and tricks for improving your rideshare experience. Also, be sure to click the subscribe button in the lower right corner and let me know about your rideshare experiences. I read all the comments and I may just use your input for the next video, so let me know in the comments below. Take care, God bless, and until next time, happy lifting.